face in yours, but I'm not yours and you're not mine. We share a dark side, but I'm not yours and mine. Share a dark side, but I'm not yours and mine.
For real, I really got no chill. I'm a wild card and these niggas know the deal. Looking at me funny with their dog face on. I just chill and smoke a blunt. Tell me what the fuck you want, cause I got enough problems on my chest. I don't go to church, but I'm thankful that I'm blessed. I don't have it all, at least I got enough for now. Searching for the truth, but there was something else I found. My head is in the clouds while my feet are on the ground. That's why I'm trying to kill time before my time comes around. I hardly contemplate these days, I'm in a different mental state. My whole perception shifted place, I'm moving at a quicker pace. I see a lot of changes, maybe it's just me. I told her that I love her, but more like a bestie. She said it's all good, I know she lying though. She probably talking to another guy that I know. I'm trying to keep up, that's what we're all doing. In this race against time, all I'm really trying to do is keep up. Don't know what I'm doing half the time, bruh. I just figured all I gotta do is keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up. I'm just trying to keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up, keep up. Yeah, all I'm trying to do is keep up. Everybody has demons, no need to demonstrate. No matter how hard you try, you really just can't escape. She used to call me late nights when she needed closure. I remember when I did her dirty on the sofa. These days I don't think about what could have been. She fuck with small town niggas, I got bigger dreams. That's it.